In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through GoDaddy to manage your website. Whether you're looking to make some changes or simply want to learn more about your features, this guide will take you through the basic steps to unpublishing a website. Let's get started. First, we begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to GoDaddy's website. You can simply type in the URL or search for GoDaddy in your search engine, which should lead you quickly to their homepage. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's your first time visiting. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here you'll find the profile icon. Clicking on this will display a drop-down menu with a variety of options related to your account. We're focusing on My Products today, so go ahead and click on that. This section hosts all the products and services you've purchased or subscribed to through GoDaddy, making it your main hub for website management. Once you're in the My Products section, look for a product named Virtual Graphics. You might have several products listed, so if you have trouble finding it, don't hesitate to use the search function that should be visible within this section. Once located, clicking on Virtual Graphics will give you access to further actions you can take with this service. As you're guided to the next page, you'll find the option to Edit Website. This is where you can make any necessary changes to your site. But today, our focus is on the settings, so go ahead and click on Edit Website to continue moving through the process. Navigating further from the editing screen, look for the Settings option, usually located in the navigation menu. Selecting this will bring you to a page that handles the back-end configuration of your site. This is where you have the control to make decisions regarding your site's online presence. Next up, find the Unpublish button. Choosing to unpublish will take your site offline, making it inaccessible to the public. This is useful if you need to take your site down temporarily for maintenance or updates. Click on Unpublish when you've decided that this is the right action for your needs. Having clicked Unpublish, you'll see a prompt asking to confirm your decision. Click Yes, Unpublish to proceed. This confirmation step ensures you don't accidentally take down your site if that's not your intention. Once confirmed, your website will be unpublished, but don't worry, you can republish it anytime when you're ready. Finally, you'll be shown a prompt with an OK button to seal the deal. Click OK to complete the process. Your site is now unpublished, safely stored away until you're ready to bring it back online. And that's it. A straightforward way to manage your site using GoDaddy. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need to unpublish or make changes. Thanks for watching and happy website managing.